Is it really?
Right, I'm having a rest now. I've been walking around all day.
He had to first sit down his head in. We got here at what time? 10 to 2? No, 10 to 3. What time did we get here?
About 2:45.
2:45, that was it, yeah.
Why are you coming close to the phone, mate? I'm going to call you Percy and you
Percy.
over there, Bob. One's yawning.
Jordan in the pub shirt.
I'm alright now. You eat your drink it, love. You haven't had much.
Right, I had enough of this one stalking us. What's drinking, boy? Popping.
Yeah, you get a cold if you drink it.
Go away.
Over there.
Well, do you need the wee before you go? You don't need one. I've just been as well.
I want to go sit in the car.
Do you need the toilet, love?
No.
I'll take them, love. You go. Or you can go up there and
I'll
take
just
them.
go to the car.
Just wait here a bit, Charles. Sit down.
Oh,
Right. You don't need one, babe.
no.
What did you want in the car? Hey, do you like that, Charles? You paid me first lot of money. Charles, sit on the fish. Turn around, come here. You've got it all down your legs. Turn around. Look.
Whoa! 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 Mate, go back to your nest. He just had a little dub, he did. No. No.
Then come nearer. Go like this.
Oh!
He's going for that there. Or she's.
Ah. What's your cause? What's your cause? Oh! Nice one, mate. You got rid of your friend. Now you go away.
What's on your neck? Oh, it's a spot.
It's a spot.